What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I can't wait to put these on. I've been waiting for a long time. All I can really say is, it's like the caption of the video, two wrongs finally make a right. Like, I've been through two sets of these LED taillights. One of them was burnt. The second were damaged in shipping and had a weird turn signal problem, I guess, every once in a while, where the turn had a short in the wire. Now I've decided no more going used for these things. I'm going brand new. Got these from Subi Depot, which gets them from Subi Speed. Let's unbox these, get them put on the car, finally get those sequential turn signals like we had before. Those things were looking so nice last season, but because they were damaged I just couldn't keep them. I wanted something new, and these are tinted lenses which will match our tinted reflectors at the back as well. So let's get these put on, see what they look like. Very excited. Let's go. Okay guys, so I won't show you guys exactly how to take them out because we've done that before in the last video. All it is, bolt up top here, bolt in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then once they come off, you just take them and slide them back. And then this little top section here transfers over with one Phillips head screw to the other light. They're plug and play, so let me go get the lights, bring them into the trunk here, we'll unbox them so you can see what they look like, and then get these finally installed so we can have some beautiful LED taillights. Alright guys, so I have them out of the box. Let's take them out of the wrapper quickly. I looked at these quickly when I first got them. Sorry, I know you guys are staring at the wall there right now. Flip it over. So like I said, these are tinted lenses. Let me take it out of the bag and then I'll bring you guys back here. I'll get both of them. It's kind of hard to see on video, especially with the amount of sun I have right now. There's a lot of glare. But they kind of have a gold tinge inside of it, which is kind of cool because it'll kind of go with my car. But it's got the nice red light around it, the right red kind of sea light. And then they're very tinted, obviously, you can see that. But because they're LED, the light kind of shines through no matter what. Well, I shouldn't say like kind of, it really does. They're very bright. I had these exactly the same last year. So there was a clear lens, and then instead of it being kind of the goldish chrome inside, they were just black. So it was kind of very similar to this, except it wasn't tinted. Okay guys, so I have the driver's side one installed. I'll show you a comparison to the stock one, and they look just so fucking nice, to be honest with you. I love the color of them. Didn't think I'd like the gold inside of them. I was a little skeptic about that and a little scared on it, but it looks really clean. Still not sure if I like them as much as I liked the last ones. They'll probably grow on me. But anyways, without further ado, so if you look at the stock one, which is obviously clear and boring and ugly, and then you've got the new one. It looks really dark on camera. It's really not that dark, guys. Perfect OEM fitment, which is great. A lot of times you get stuff and they've got weird gaps. These don't. And once I clean those reflectors at the bottom there, they're going to be looking very similar, so it'll be good. But let me get up my keys quickly just to show you what like that sequential flashes for the brake lights. You probably can't see it on the bottom ones, but that's what the bottom ones do too. And see if you come over to the stock one, it's just a boring flash. So now we've got these. It's really bad on camera, like it really looks dark, but it's very bright actually, the light, and you can really see through them. Okay, so let me get the other one installed and then I'll show you the finished product, and then that's the end of this video. So really quick video, like I said. This is my third pair of these, so I for sure needed to go new this time. Didn't want to waste time on potentially getting another pair from the States or someone local possibly, but you never know. They seem to get damaged pretty easily, so at least that Subi Speed offers a warranty on them. But the thing is that they seem to be discontinuing them and not carrying a lot of Forester parts anymore. A lot of their Forester parts they have listed are discontinued. So I'm not really sure what their warranty kind of goes at once they've discontinued an item. I don't know if they gave you like a store credit or something else. But I'm just hoping that they last for a while. A lot of people have problems with LEDs burning out and I mean, I kind of had the same issue with my first set, and then the second set had a wiring issue. So, who knows? Fingers crossed that they'll work out. One thing I do want to point out quickly while I have this apart, and one thing that people ask me about constantly is about how I tapped in my sequential brake, well, sequential turn, and then the brake lights at the bottom, the reflectors here, those things down there. I did do a video on it, but I guess in the video I didn't really show it pretty well, and the way I did the wiring is actually like atrocious. So I do have to redo this someday, because like these wires, yeah, it's like I don't know if you can see that, like that's like wires like sticking out. It's really bad. So I have to redo that sometime. But the one thing I just wanted to mention, and this was kind of the reason I'm actually talking about it, even though I do get questions about it a lot. The one thing I want to mention is that if you are going to do the sequential reflectors at the bottom, use quick connects that you can undo and redo, because now I have to take this rear bumper off or something, and I don't have any way to do that without having to either cut this wire and then re-splice it together, or potentially, sorry, if I cut off this zip tie, I might have enough room just to move my bumper back to do what I have to do. But that's my quick tip from a YouTube mechanic. Make sure that if you're putting in wires and it's something that's going through something that needs to be removed every once in a while, use something you can connect them together instead of making it one wire that you can't take them apart. Pro tip. Okay guys, here we go, finished product. One more tip quickly. There is a switch on the back of these to make them either sequential or just regular turn signals. Make sure they're both on the same one. I went to install the driver one, it was on sequential. Didn't even think about it for the passenger one. And then after I installed it, I said, oh, I wonder if it's the same or not. And I turned it on, and no, it wasn't. It was just on a regular turn signal. So make sure that they're both switched on the same way you want them. So that's what they look like with the turn signals. See if you can maybe see the reflectors. So yeah. Really like the look of them. They're a little dark, like I said, on camera, but they're not as dark in person. The red really pops through, and the lights actually really pop through too. It's kind of dark on the sides, and then kind of where actually the LEDs is, it seems like they use a smaller tint. I don't know if it's actually true. It's kind of just the way I've seen it. So, thank you guys for watching. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below. I think one thing I'd like to do, and put a comment below if you'd like to see this, is I think I'm going to do a product review on my Ryobi tools, or just give you kind of like a shop overview of what I use for tools on kind of daily working on my car. I have a lot of Ryobi stuff, so I'm a big Ryobi supporter. Even my pressure washer is Ryobi, so if you guys would like to see that, put a comment below just letting me know that's something that's interesting to you guys. Lots of videos to come this summer. Lots of parts to go on this Forester. It's going to look totally different. I am eventually going to want to wrap it, like I've mentioned. I'm kind of trying to look for a wrap shop that'll kind of sponsor the actual job, just because I don't want to have to spend, you know, $3,500 to $4,000 on a wrap. But that's what I have to do. That's what I have to do. But if that's the case, that'll be next season for sure. But for this season, lots to come, lots to show you guys. So look forward to it. It's coming soon. Check that YouTube constantly. See you soon.